harness bar plates. I believe it was a Jegster like 4-point bar. 2 plates in the front, just above the, just in front of the rear seats, and then 2 in the rear wheel wells. We'll remove these. I only have video of one of them. Didn't want to bore you to death by, taking 4 of the same plates off. Not much interest there, but the rest of the video, we'll be walking through kind of the damage, what's left, the holes, etc. So kind of interesting there.
So that's the inside where we took these bolts off and took these belt plates off. The outside, again, might be kind of rust stain. I mean, you can kind of see the undercoatings. It might be stain, might be some rust. I don't know, until we take a wire wheel or something to it, kind of knock it off. But we'll go ahead and take the other side off as well. All right, guys, so we took the other harness plate or roll cage plate off. Kind of see again rust and whatnot on these rear ones. Because of the arch, they actually put some type of compression material. You can see that kind of middle plate right there, that's some type of compression material, and that's just completely disintegrated. I don't even know what it's made out of, but you see it's really thick and thinner on the edges because it's made to compress around that plate, and so that just disintegrated when it came out. But didn't figure I'd bore you to death with taking each of these out, so we've got 2 more to go, and then we'll be done with them. All right, so we've got the plates removed out of the car. Again, significantly better than these holes for the harness tie down. These were for a roll cage or something. Show you the underside of the car as well. Again, I think there's probably some staining on the rust staining on the actual chassis. Might not be rust on the chassis, it might just be transfer from the plates over. You can see this one, again, you can kind of see the rust flakes away there, and so again, might be fairly fortunate in the chassis itself being in good shape and just having rust stains, etc. You can see there, and so I haven't done that on the rest, but I imagine it'll be similar.
Hey guys, hope you enjoy watching the restoration of the rusty Barnacle, Integra Type R 98111. Please subscribe and keep looking for updates. Thanks.